What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Orange County yard. I have one of our wheel loaders over there warming up, and I have our 4300 warming up, and I have our Chevy over here warming up. We need to pull this out, get it out of the way. Kevin's gonna hop in that truck. There is a ice call on one of the roads in the village here, so we're gonna load him up with salt, send him out to salt all the ice there. We just drove through it. There's a couple spots. One intersection is pretty bad. It looks like one of the yards there, they're doing like landscaping or something, and there's a lot of water running out of the yard right into the intersection, and it's freezing. So we got to go salt that. And then on the 4300, we're going to pull it out. We're going to take at least the front plow off. We might pull the wing plow off, I'm not sure yet. And then we're driving that truck down to our main shop. We have a new spill guard in the shop for that truck. We temporarily bolted one on there, but it's not the right size, so we ordered one for that, and it is here. So we're gonna bring it down there and do the install at our main shop inside, and then after that's done, we'll bring it back up here. That's gonna be probably a couple days, but let me get Kevin loaded and out of here, and then we'll start working on that truck. All right, guys, just got down to our shop, and it looks like we got some salt delivered, but unfortunately we're not going to be able to tackle that right now. Rodrigo is at the cemetery that we do, and if you haven't heard me talk about this before, our construction crew shovels the sidewalks there, but I guess it was windy last night and a lot of the snow blew onto the sidewalks, and Rodrigo is there alone dealing with it. So me and Kevin are about to load some shovels, some salt and stuff in the bed of my truck, and then head over there and help him out. When we get back here, we'll deal with the salt. All right, guys, we just got back here. We ended up having to shovel pretty much every sidewalk at the cemetery.
That's not the red truck I need. I thought that was a red truck.
That is a red truck. right guys, so we got all of the salt pushed inside, cleaned up off the block, and broomed clean. So we're done with this. Hopefully we don't get any more today, but let me step outside. So we're just emptying my truck now. This is all the stuff we brought to the cemetery. We had to shovel pretty much every single sidewalk there, but let us get this unloaded and then we're gonna move on and help Rodrigo inside. All right guys, so we got the second cab cover ready to go on this truck. We're about to slide it over and temp it on and see how it fits. It should fit perfect. These were custom made for each truck. All right guys, so this new cab guard is pretty much done for now. We have 4 bolts across here. You can kind of see them on the inside here. There's one right there, which it's hard to get an angle at. You might be able to see the one over there too. But they're right under this lip here. And Rodrigo just pulled our welder over. He's about to tack it in a couple spots around this whole thing. And then we have a mobile welder coming who does most of our final welds for us, and he's gonna weld it around the entire way. But with these 4 bolts, this thing is pretty sturdy. There's a little bit of a shake in it, but once he gets a tack here, maybe here, a couple across there, this thing is gonna be pretty strong. But it is much nicer than the other one that we have on. So this truck plus the new TerraStar are both pretty much done. Tomorrow we have to pull the other truck in. The what is it, power steering pump needs to be changed, so we're pulling it in, pulling the wheels off and stuff like that. We're gonna pull this truck out, get this washed. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.